We'll now look at exercise 12.4 on page 709. Schott Farm Supplies Corporation purchased 800 shares of General Motors stock at $50 per share and paid a brokerage fee of $1,200. 2 months later, the shares were sold for $53 per share. The brokerage fee on the sale was $1,300. Prepare the entries for the purchase and the sale. Okay. So the date here, they don't give us a date. So we won't worry about that, but we're going to debit investment in GM shares. Or let's make that investment in GM common shares to differentiate, just in case they have some preferred stock out there as well. Now, how much was the amount of the investment? Well, it's going to be 800 shares times $50 a share plus the brokerage fee of $1,200. So it equals 800 times 50 each. 800 shares times 50 each plus the brokerage fee of $1,200. So $41,200. And of course, we purchased the investment, so we're going to credit cash. Let's go through that again. It's going to be equal to 800 shares times $50 each plus the brokerage fee of $1,200. Okay. 2 months later, the shares were sold for $53 per share. The brokerage fee on the sale was $1,300. Looks like they're eating us alive with brokerage fees. Maybe they need to move to an online brokerage. But anyway, 2 months later, the shares were sold. So here they're going to receive cash. How much, though? Well, it's going to be equal to 800 shares times they were sold for $53 per share. And now we have a brokerage fee to subtract out of $1,300. So cash received is $41,100. We know we're going to credit investment in GM common shares. Credits would be indented though. They went on the books at 41.2. They'd come off the books at 41.2. What you'll note here, though, is our entry doesn't balance. We need to debit another account. If you get to this point and you need more debit to balance the entry, then you have a loss. If you need more credit to balance the entry, you have a gain. Here we need more debit to balance the entry, $100, right? That would make the debit side and credit side equal. And this is going to be loss on sale of investments. And that's it for exercise 6.4. I don't think you'll have any trouble with the Connect Plus problem, similar to this one. If you have any questions or concerns, please be in touch. Thanks.